Reducing stress is easier said than done, especially in these stressful times. And while things like meditating and exercising may work wonders for your stress levels, it's not always possible to find the time. So the answer is to block cortisol directly. Remember, it was by blocking cortisol that the Harvard scientists were able to get the balding mice to start growing hair again. But it's not easy to block cortisol in real life. We're not mice in a lab after all. That's why I started looking through the research trying to find the best cortisol blocker, and it soon became obvious that one solution stood head and shoulders above the rest. It's called ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a special kind of plant called an adaptogen. As you may know, adaptogens have the unique power to calm you down when you feel stressed or anxious. Adaptogens also have the ability to power up your energy when you're tired and help you sleep deeply at night. That's because adaptogens hack your stress response by balancing your hypothalamic-pituitary and adrenal glands. And ashwagandha is one of the most powerful adaptogens of all for blocking cortisol, so you can regrow your hair and keep it for life.